Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Elite Gourmet 1.7 liters double wall cool touch electric kettle. This isn't just any kettle, it's a stylish and incredibly convenient addition to your kitchen. Featuring a sleek, modern design, this kettle boasts a dual wall cool touch body made with high quality borosilicate glass and a 304 stainless steel interior, ensuring both safety and beauty. The intuitive digital touchscreen allows you to effortlessly select pre-programmed temperatures perfect for various teas, coffee, or simply a boil. You can also fine-tune the temperature in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments for ultimate precision. An audible indicator lets you know when your water is ready, eliminating guesswork. Beyond its stylish exterior and precise temperature control, this kettle offers incredible convenience. The 1100-watt heating element boils water quickly, saving you precious time in your busy day. The cordless design, coupled with a 360 degrees swivel base, allows for easy pouring and serving without the hassle of tangled cords. Safety is key, and this kettle doesn't disappoint. It features boil dry protection and an automatic shut-off function for peace of mind. Plus, it keeps your water warm for up to 2 hours, perfect for those who enjoy multiple cups of their favorite beverage. The built-in mesh filter ensures a smooth, debris-free pour every time. This Elite Gourmet kettle combines modern design, advanced features, and exceptional functionality. It's available at a reasonable price, making it a must-have for tea and coffee lovers, and anyone who appreciates quick and efficient water heating. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews and helpful tips.